1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beautiful birds sitting on the
Wow.
6 beautiful birds.
Sitting on the wall.
One flew away. Madeline, can you say woo? How many birds are left?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. 5 beautiful birds sitting on the
5. Wow.
5
Beautiful birds
are sitting.
on the wall.
One flew away. Liam, can you sing? Woo! How many birds are left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4. 4
Beautiful birds sitting on the wall.
4 beautiful birds are.
Sitting on the wall.
One flew away. Sing. How many birds are left?
1, 2, 3,
3 beautiful
4
are sitting.
on the wall.
3 beautiful
Birds
are.
on the wall.
One flew away. Ooh, sing, sing, Emmy, sing. Ooh. How many are left? 2 beautiful are sitting on the wall. 2 beautiful birds are.
Sitting on the wall.
One flew away. Woo! Sing, Maya, sing. Woo! How many are left?
1.
Everybody help me sing. One beautiful bird sitting on the wall. One beautiful bird is sitting on the wall. One flew away. Sing, Sam. Woo! How many are left?
0.
0. 0 beautiful birds sitting on the wall. 0 beautiful birds are.
Sitting on the wall.
They all flew back. Ooh, they all flew back. How many are there now? How many?